So Michael and Alyssa, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
So you're now back to being New Jersey residents. Super excited about that, right? And so you worked with my team over the bridge as well to help get your home sold so that you could purchase here in New Jersey, right?
Yeah.
And so tell me, I mean, without putting words in your mouth, what did you think about the experience? Was it smooth, other than some hiccups with the bank? Yeah, just like a little bit about what your experience was.
Yeah, I mean, it was very smooth. Everything had to move very quickly on our end. We weren't even necessarily looking for a home, but we saw this listing and loved it. So put in an offer, it was accepted with a contingency of selling my home. So that was done in basically a week. You know, we had one open house and sold the next day. So smooth, quick, and everything was, you know, informational on your end in terms of helping us understand the process. And yeah, couldn't have asked for a better experience.
Excellent. Thank you so much. And so coming here to New Jersey, right? Having found this, so now I understand you're going to be with family in the neighborhood, right? Yeah. This is very cool. I'm so excited for you guys. And you have something else coming up?
Just a little something small. As we bought a house, we get married a week from Saturday.
Yeah. Congratulations. I am so glad that this was, our part in it was as stressful as it could be. Is that, am I putting words in your mouth, or would that be an accurate statement?
Yeah, outside of working with the bank, this was as least stressful as possible.
Excellent. That's what I was looking for. And Alyssa, thank you so much for doing this as well. We appreciate you. Welcome to the Nancy Kowalik Group family.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.